Hey folks, so haven't done a video in a while, so a little video with a bit of a difference. I wanted to show you how I load my camera gear onto actually a motorcycle or a bicycle, but mainly it's a motorcycle. And I found the best way, rather than using backpacks, is something like this, which is a pannier. And you can see from where I've got it mounted over here, I've got a framework that I've added to the bike, which I can stick the panniers on. The panniers are quite soft, they're waterproof inside, so they have quite a little bit of spring to them, and it's a lot safer to carry the camera equipment that way. And I was carrying it in a backpack, but in the event that you fell off, you would, aside from damaging the camera equipment, you'd damage yourself, you could break your back. So I find it far, far more secure to carry camera equipment this way. And to that end, I don't just drop the cameras inside, I use camera cubes. So the camera cubes are actually, one of them is part of my Vanguard VU42 bag, because it's why it's so handy to have bags that have removable cubes. Take the cube out and the cube just slides into the camera bag. You can get an awful lot of kit in there. And I actually went out and bought just a standalone camera cube. It's part of I think it's Wynyard is the make. And I'll put the links in the description below for the stuff I've got. But essentially, you can get a Wynyard bag to go with this. Nice bag, actually, when I looked at it. But I haven't bought the bag. It's expensive. And I'm literally just dropping the equipment in there. It means I can leave it securely on the bike, because obviously the panniers lock onto the bike, so there's a modicum of security on there. Equally, they're easy to take off. As I say, they've got a carry handle, so I can just lift them off. It's much easier for me to stop, pull over at the side of the road, and that's kind of what I'm intending on doing, is being like a two-wheeled photographer. So that's essentially what I wanted to just talk about today, which is I want to be doing a lot more stuff on the road, as it were. I'll be mounting cameras on the bike, so it's a little bit of change of direction for where the channel's going, more, if you like, travel photography, but also including things in there which I'm quite sort of passionate about. And I haven't had a motorcycle for a long time, and now I have. And there it is there, over here, look, lovely bike. We're filming this on the old DJI Pocket 3, so, which is kind of like having a robotic cameraman, because the camera will follow around with me. I just wanted to go over what I've been doing, because I know I haven't done a video for about 3 weeks now, and hopefully I can upload this one, because I've had internet problems and they're still ongoing. So I've got intermittent internet, so it's quite difficult to upload things. But I hope this is going to be of use to someone, is that I've tried backpacks, tail packs, tank bags, and all manner of different ways of carrying. And so with the reason I chose panniers is for their weight carrying capacity. The panniers can carry 5 kilograms each side, whereas a top box or a tail pack is more restricted to about 3 kilograms. You can get tank bags, but again, they're restricted to about 2 kilograms. So you're better off putting clothing, if you're traveling and staying overnight, in things like your tail pack and on the tail of the bike, because softer things are easy to secure, and you'll get much more peace of mind carrying your precious camera equipment in something that's actually fastened and locked onto the bike. In fact, these panniers even have a strap that goes on after the lock, so it's really secure. And as I say, they're waterproof. They have a dry bag inside them, so even though the outer bags are these are only showerproof on the outside, inside they've actually got a waterproof dry bag, so it's going to keep everything dry. Plus the camera cubes I've got are weatherproof as well. They're not like weather sealed, but they're resistant to the elements to a certain extent. Showerproof, if you like. And there's another motorcycle. It is a sunny Sunday, so I'm not surprised there are other bikes around. The joys of filming things outside and the noises that go on make it so difficult. But anyway, folks, that's pretty much it. So hopefully, as the weather improves, I will get out and about and do some two-wheeled photography. Anyway, I will see you all later. Bye.